Hi, and welcome to Module 10, Responsive Web Design. In this module, we're going to take a look at creating responsive web designs. And we're doing that because we want to be able to design for different size media, for different size screens. We have to create today websites that look good on both iPhones or smartphones and tablets, laptops, and desktops. So we're going to look at a strategy for creating web design or for creating design mockups for each of these different types of media. And the strategy we're going to use in Photoshop is using artboards. And artboards are going to allow us to create different designs at the same time in Photoshop. So to start out with the activities this week, you're going to take a look at this website here that has some really inspirational responsive designs here. So go ahead and take a look at these to get some inspiration. And then talk a little bit about mobile design first. So mobile first is designing for mobile first instead of for desktop first. So I want you to take a look at this site and read about the pros and cons of designing for mobile first versus designing for desktop first. And then taking a look at artboards. So looking at artboards and see how they work in Photoshop. So basically this is what the file is going to look like that you're going to submit for this project. You're going to do a design for mobile, you're going to do a design for tablet, and you're going to do a design for desktop. And they're going to be all in one file using these artboards, which makes it very easy for us to look at them and edit them all at once. So you're going to look at some tutorials, go through some tutorials in YouTube, and then you're also going to look at another video here that's designing for mobile and web using artboards. Now this is another project, another major project here, and the requirements for this project are going to be that you use the 360 grid system to lay out your mockup like we did in the previous module for grid-based design. We always want to use this system because it really makes for professional looking sites that are all consistent and have everything in consistent places. And this is what audiences are looking for, so there's no surprises there. You don't have to, the audience doesn't have to go and try to figure out where to go. So you can use your own content or content from the internet. You don't have to worry about copyright for one-time educational use. And there's going to be a graded peer review on this. The requirements are that you use artboards. So you're going to use artboards for 3 different designs. You're going to make a separate design for mobile, one for tablet, and one for desktop. And this time you're going to save the file as a PSD, a Photoshop document, so I can actually view the artboards. And then save the file as your last name underscore responsive PSD, and then submit the file. And remember too, you also want to post a discussion after everything is done. And that should be it for this week. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I hope you enjoy this module.